Hello! Hi, friends! How's everyone doing? I'm glad you like the music. Hi, Han. Hi, Mika. Welcome to the channel for the first time. Hi, Ron. We're gonna be doing something new today, and I'm extremely excited for it, to be honest. When I announce it, you're probably not going to be excited for it, but I'm going to ask that you give it a chance, because apparently me talking to technology is funny. Wait, what the? Oh. Sorry, the daily treat thing doesn't work. I didn't realize I had even added it yet. Like, I was just looking into it. Sorry. I'm gonna work on that over the weekend. I'm gonna add daily treats in. I was gonna do it today, but I was like, I have an hour. I don't want to do something shitty. So, yeah. Okay, so today we're gonna do something a bit weird and different. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna turn the music a little bit because we're not. I'm gonna pause the music. I want to turn it back on once we start, but for now, I'm doing this. Thank you for the treat, Ron. So, I have made some changes to my overlay. I showed it for the first time on the stream yesterday. Not yesterday, on Tuesday. Here, you can see it now. So, this is the new overlay. It is very similar to the old one. Here, I can bring up the old one. Nope, not there. Yeah, so this is what the old overlay looked like. So this is a picture, as you can tell. The new overlay that you are seeing is not a picture. It is a web page, actually. And that is how I am doing the animated background there. It is a change that I have made, and I've also updated my colors a bit, because the colors that you're seeing in the background right now are the same colors that my VTuber avatar has in her hair and in her jacket. So I wanted to update to fit more of that theme. Oh my god, I really, really hate you, Microsoft. I need you to fuck the hell off. So as you can tell, this is my computer here. Except for it's not my computer. This is actually a virtual machine, which is a computer inside a computer. And I made this, I've been working on this and fighting with it to make a system that I can show off things in, because I don't want to fucking dox myself. Because, you know, I don't want to dox myself and, like, die or something. Anyways, that's what we're gonna do. For the most part, though, I already have that overlay designed. What I don't have, and I'm gonna flick through a few scenes, so it's gonna look a bit weird for a second. But if you look at what we have right now, so we have our basic starting overlay. We have an intermission one. We have a technical difficulties one. We have an ending one. And then we have the standard chatting one that you're looking at right now. So all these are currently PNGs. All these backgrounds are images. So what I want to do today is I am transitioning away from having any images as my backgrounds. I am going to make all of those stream scenes that you've seen, I'm going to remake them today from scratch in a coding app as web pages, and I'm going to use the same colors, and I'm going to make them actually more interesting than they are. My first order of business is just to update the colors and make them uniform. After that, we will actually try to make something cool. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. Okay, so Cursor. For those who aren't familiar, Cursor is a coding program that is based on VS Code, for anyone who knows what that is. And it uses there's multiple different AIs you can interact with, and they will tell you, they will be able to help you do your coding. So if you are rusty with coding like I am, they can help you a lot. So Starlight here, once it loads. Yes. Starlight. This is all the code for my current overlay right here. Yes, thank you. I forgot. There we go. Thank you. I appreciate you reminding me, because I'm fucking awful at that. Anyways, this is the overlay here. All the stars are manually placed. I don't know if there's a way to randomly place them. I have not learned that yet. But like, this is how I'm getting the stars specifically to twinkle, is they're changing their size and opacity. And there's animation delay calculated via CSS here, inside the HTML. Okay, so we're gonna move over to here. Actually, no, we're not. I need the background color. Is background color. Okay. So, Claude. Yeah, I'm liking the Claude Sonnet. Cool. So, we're going to be working with the AI Claude today, and he is going to... I shouldn't say he. They are going to tell us how to do what we're doing, because I can probably put this together on my own, but Claude will help me do it faster. Hey, Claude. Can you help Mommy with something? I need you to make a basic web page with the background color of this. Thanks. I've never actually tried to like speak to it like a human before, so I'm really kind of curious if it'll do something. Ah, it's not like ChatGPT, it won't respond. Yes, because this is like, Claude is built for coding mainly. Okay, so it's thrown together some basic stuff. Cool, and I'm gonna accept that. So this is our basic web page right here. Yeah, I was really hoping that Claude would call me Mommy, but it didn't work. Okay, so I'll help you make a basic web page with the dark blue background you specified. I've created an basic HTML structure, proper doc type is declared, basic meta tags, style section, body, etc. Okay. Thanks, baby. Can you now move the CSS in the HTML over to a separate CSS file? Should I do this? Yes, I should. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to make a CSS folder. We are going to make a new file. Oh, it already made me a styles. Thank you. Thank you. And there's styles now. Thanks. Appreciate you, Claude. Okay, cool. So I'm just going to publish this now. I want to F5 run. Open with Opera, please. Thank you. I'm running Opera GX for this because I found something amazing about Opera GX specifically. Oh. Seriously? Oh, is that not where my... Is that not where we are? Hold on. I did import this from my main PC, so some of the things might not be right. Program files... Opera GX, opera.exe. Yeah, no, that's right. Why are you being an ass? Okay, Chrome me then. That's fine. Oh, no, don't. No, don't launch the launch file. Let's try it again. Okay. Chrome me. Thank you. Okay, gonna full screen this. So this blank page is what the stream scene looks like right now. It's just a start though, obviously. Okay. So one of the things that I mainly want to focus on today, because of the fact that this is going to be a stream scene that I am going to use in multiple ways, I want to split them into different HTML files, and I'm going to have them all use the same style sheet. Okay. I should actually change the name of this. Actually, no. I need to, before I split them, I need to actually format it anyways. Okay. Hey, Claude. Can you add a giant image in the vertically and horizontally centered in the middle of the page? The image must be... I don't actually know what my dimensions are for my image. Shoot. Must be 30, let's try 30% wide and 20% high. Okay, well, Claude's working. No. Okay. We need the cat head.
Cyberspace is occupied by
Okay.
As of March 31st of this year, it is occupied by just over 2 billion,
Except...
or about 30% of the world's population.
Okay.
It should come as no surprise then that it is occupied by some of the best.
Okay, so... change the path.
And peaceful protest.
Reset. Okay, so we actually have a cat head in the middle now. What is that? Can other people... I'm not the only one who can see that. There's, like, blocks underneath it. That's weird. Okay. I don't know what the fuck's up with that. That must be... That's probably an issue with the image, if I were to guess. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to... Let's see, what is the actual size of it? Usually. It's usually bigger than that, and that's about the right dimensions, though. So that's okay. Yeah, I'll have to fix the blocks later. Okay, so I'm doing 2:3 as my image ratio. So I'm going to do... If I'm doing 2:3, then I should do 30:45. Okay, so that's a bit closer to the size I want. Still a bit too small. I'm gonna have to edit the image, I think.
It is a new domain.
60:40. That's a bit better. Still too small. Obviously, I need to fix the image, though, because it's getting, like, badly pixelated. Oh, yeah, no, the boxes are moving, so that must be an issue with the vector graphic. So that's an issue with the image, not with the code, thankfully. Because it's an SVG, or a scalable vector graphic, which means that instead of it being an image, it is an image that is actually made of mathematical code instead, that is automatically changed based on the size you want it to be.
It is a new cyberspace.
That's why I was explaining what a vector graphic is. There's two different types of graphics. There's vector graphics, which are changed mathematically to fit the size that you want them to be. And then there's raster graphics, rasterized graphics, which are what you would see when you look at a photograph, for example. They're things that are like set in stone the way that they are. If you increase their size, they get distorted. If you decrease their size, they get distorted. Scalable vector graphics are not supposed to get distorted. And if they are getting distorted, that means you've done it wrong. And in this case, I've done it wrong. Okay, I want to add more to 2-3. Wait. No, something's wrong here. That's not 60% of the screen. So, if that's not 60% of the screen, then... Oh, yes, no, that's a fucking problem. Okay. I see exactly what's happening here. Okay, no. You are going to go... You're going to get changed. Okay, div. Div class equals... Oh, right, it does it automatically. Centered image... Not yet. Not yet, div. You're gonna div over here. Okay. Am I swearing? I didn't even notice. Okay, I'm gonna do ID equals C head, which is cat head. So I'm gonna do, instead, I'm gonna make this a child of the class. No, stay there. And hopefully I'm doing this right, because this is actually a part that I'm not too super familiar with. C head. So theoretically, everything is about to get a bit strange. Yep. Okay. No, it's not right now, which is it's not right, which is right. Okay, that's supposed to be like that. Okay, justify content, because I want the centered image itself to be... Are you expanding? No, you're not expanding properly. Why are you not expanding properly? You're not doing what I told you to do, are you? Oh. Okay. So the div is 100% wide now, but it's not 100% tall. Why? Excuse me? What the fuck? Yeah, so like, okay, so it's the cat head scaling properly. The div is not. Okay, why are you not scaling properly? Height. Oh, I don't need that. I mean, that makes that I would need that if this was going to be a responsive design, which is all websites should be, but this isn't a website, it's a web page that it'll never change size. It'll only ever be viewed on one browser. Okay, object fit contain. I'm not actually familiar with object fit. Specifies how the contents of a replaced element should be scaled relatively to the box established by its height and width. No. Okay, yeah. Styles.css. Hey Claude, can you tell me why my div class .centered image isn't actually scaling to 100% of the vertical height, but is doing so for the horizontal sizing? Claude will probably have an idea. Body element doesn't have a defined height. Oh. Oh, it's because the body's too small. Okay. Yeah, no, that makes sense. Right? Centered image. Yeah, no, that's right. Actually, that's not wide enough now. Actually, it doesn't matter because it looks right. Okay, no, this should be the right size, I think. That's gonna be like 30% larger than that, ultimately. I'll see with that size and see what happens. I'm going to need to redo the cat head itself, though, because that's obviously not working. Okay, we also need the line that goes below the cat head. But actually, before we do that, centered image, let's throw the text in here too. Oh, no. Lowercase p. Just because it's ugly. Okay, so we're gonna put the text actually here, so this will be, let's just do the stream starting first. Stream starting soon. Okay, so it's right there. That's fine. So we want to stack these vertically. Which I believe means, yeah, we want it to be a flex box. And I'm not actually familiar with how that works. Okay, so we're gonna do, I don't know, main text. I'm not being creative. That's fine. Okay, so main text. We need font size. There's a new type of font sizing, and I'm trying to remember what it is. VM? Okay, yeah, there's normal M. Rem. There we are. Okay, 16 rem. I won't get into detail what rem and m are. I'm just setting the font size. Font family. Font weight. I'm probably going to make 600 font weight. And open sans. Nope. Open sans, comma, serif. Serif? No, sans serif. Okay. It's not going to recognize that, though. Because I don't have a... I don't actually have Open Sans. Open Sans Google Fonts. Open Sans is the font right here. This is the font that I use for all my everything. One font family select. Does this include... God, that's bright. Does this include, yeah, light, regular, medium, bold? Okay, yeah, so it has all the sizes. Download. Do I have a method of unzipping files? Oh shit, I don't have a method of unzipping files, I don't think. No, I have what? I have basic, fucking... basic shit. Okay. Open. Install. Install. Okay. I was hoping it would recognize it. I should be able to use Open Sans though now. Okay, let's just use this to test it. Open Sans is right there. Again, it has all the different effects. Okay, Open Sans regular. Yeah, okay, so I do have Open Sans installed. I'm going to shut down the deployment, and I'm going to close everything and reopen everything, just to make sure that cursor actually imports the fonts again. Okay. Yep, this is CSS. Recognize it, please. Thank you. But do I have to manually import it? How was I doing it here? No, I wasn't importing it, I don't think. Yeah, no, I'm not importing it. So what do you use? Oh! Oh, my syntax is wrong. That explains what's going on. It's like, I don't know what you're asking for to put here. I'm like, oh, wait, hold on a second. I need to put brackets here. And they're like, oh, you're looking for a font. Got it. Okay, so, yeah, it's Open Sans. That should be fine. And now... Yeah. Oh, that's... Oops, that's Starlight. I don't want Starlight. I want Stream Scenes. Yeah, that looks right. Yeah, syntax, for anyone who's not familiar, is basically the coding equivalent to grammar. Okay, I'm going to add this to the chat specifically, so it'll look at this. I'm going to add... style, okay. Please put this text underneath of the image. And increase the size to... Let's try this. 5% of the height of the page. Page. Not page. Page. Okay. Okay, so flex direction column, that's how it works. Oh, and they're using VH, which is viewport height. That actually scales dynamically. Ooh, that is really cool. Fuck, I nerd the hell out by this stuff sometimes. Oh, perfect! That's exactly what I was looking for. Okay. So we're gonna add a secondary image. Image as source equals that. We don't need an alt. ID equals and okay. Alt can go away. Alt is not relevant for us. Images slash... It doesn't exist yet. Divider dot svg. I'll have to make it. Okay, ID, you're going to be divider. And we're going to make you centered image hash divider. Okay, I don't want any of that. For now. Okay, because that image doesn't actually exist. So I'm gonna really quickly open that image now in Illustrator, which you won't be able to see, but that's okay because this will not last very long. Actually, can I open Illustrator? Can I swap to Illustrator? Is that a thing that I can do? Is that a thing that works for me? Yes, it is. Oh. Cool. You can actually see what I'm doing. Okay. I'm going to... Yeah, so this is how I actually had it done first. I'm going to re-output the kitty, because that's the actual image that I should be using instead. Okay, collect for export as a single asset. I'm going to make it a single asset there, and I'm going to grab the dividing line and undershadow. Those are both being collected as multiple assets. Shadow. Actually, I could bundle the shadow in with the cat head. Did I do that? I'll bundle them, actually. That probably would work better for what I'm doing. Oh, fuck. I didn't mean to delete them. Oops. Yeah, let's try this again. Undershadow. Okay. Collect for export a single asset, and then collect for export the dividing line on its own. Single asset. Okay. Okay, I'm going to export both of those and move back to our coding. In a second. Okay. 2 assets, got them. Okay, so we're gonna minimize everything for a second. There we go. Paste. So these are our assets here. Asset 4 is the cat head. And divider. Okay, so we are going to open the images. Freeland File Explorer. Dump. Place, that's fine. Okay. Okay, so that's actually starting to look good. This is starting to actually kind of look like the stuff that I've had up until this point, which is great. Okay. Oh yeah, I was gonna make this. So I cheated when I made this cat head. The eyes are. I colored the eyes like the background so that they would look like they were transparent, but they're actually not transparent. Instead of cutting out the image here and making it a what's the term? Complex path? Yeah, making it a complex path. So that's why its eyes are like that, but honestly, it's not too bad. Okay, so we need to put some padding between some of this shit, because it looks fucking awful. Okay, divider. Padding, top. Give me... What should we go for? I can do... Actually, I don't have a good concept of what this will look like, so this is 10 pixels. Okay. 40. Why are you Why are you freaking out now? Like, there's the box right there. That's stupid. Yeah, it's showing up everywhere, so that is an issue with that file specifically. Oops, I did not mean to get rid of that. God, blinding light. Blinding light. Blinding light. I need to dark theme my Chrome. Oh, nope, that's the style sheet. No, I want stream scenes. Thank you. Boop, fucker. Boop. Boop. Thank you. Okay, so that's what the stream scene will look like as is. I do not like this dividing line. It does not look very good on this color, and it's freaking out a little bit, so that's not ideal. I think we're running into an issue, because, like, you can see if you look around, like, this edge here, there's a lot of pixelation. Yes, very boop. Much wow. There's a lot of pixelation around there, a lot of pixelation around here, because the initial image that turned into a vector is the mathematic calculations that have been done on Adobe's side. I think the best way to say this is they degrade depending on like how far you get away from the initial size of what you made this. So I think I actually need to change the size of this in Illustrator specifically, and once I scale it up using Illustrator, I think the SVG will do a bit better job even with minor changes to its scaling. In any case, we need to figure out why there's boxes everywhere. I think it's just from the divider, though. So I'll have to fix that. Do I like this as is? What do I want to... Do I want to change anything? Do I want to do anything differently? So if we look over at... desktop, stream scenes. We're gonna look at default. Did I just say paint? Damn it. That was not what I meant to do. Use another app. Try this again. Photos. Always open BMPs. Oh. It had issues to start with. Oh. Okay. So I had issues to begin with this that I did not actually fix. But you can't really see it on stream too well. But it bothers me. It bothers the hell out of me, to be honest. Okay. But yeah, so we're looking at... I'm going to bring this into full screen, actually, so you can see it. So we're comparing that and this right now. This actually feels brighter despite being a darker color. Welcome back, Han. I think one of the things that helps it is definitely having the white text. I might want to have more white in this. Because what I have felt a lot grayer and less interesting to me. Trying to think what I need to do here. I think I need to increase the size of the text a little bit.
3, 2, 1, go!
Did I turn off main text? Yeah, main text is gone. of that. Just double checking. Yep, no, I didn't fuck anything up. Okay, good. Okay, what's my font size? My font size is 5V. 5VH. 6 maybe? I mean, 6 should be big. Yeah, that's big. I want big. It's gonna look a little bit bigger than what you're seeing too, because what you're seeing right now is a slightly smaller version since it's in my overlay. Am I able to... Let's see, hold on a second. I'm gonna open a window capture real quick with Hyper-V. And... ah, there we go. So this is what it will look like in full. There we go. Okay. I'm liking that. However, I have noticed that each time I reset this, the boxes move on the vector graphics. Like, I'm kind of tempted, honestly, rather just say screw it with using the vector graphics and just use a PNG that has been made the right size. 'Cause I like... do I like the size right? Nope, that's not the right thing. Do I like the size? I think I like the size. Okay, so if I like this size as is here, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the inspect element of Chrome here. That's not the bounds. Okay, so it's... okay, so it has a wider bounding box right now. It's 432 high. If I scale that, I should be fine. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. Okay. I need all of Kitty features. What are you currently? You're 439. Actually, this is probably the perfect size. Oh, it wasn't wider because of the bounding. It was wider because of the whatever this thing's called. The shadow underneath. That's why.
But you know, in the Western world, I suppose we have two.
Okay, really quickly. 819, 342.
There's the old-fashioned idea that after we die, we go to another world.
Okay, 819.
Say it's out of date, we don't know what the answer to this is.
I'm gonna not constrain the proportions. Oh, that does squish it. Okay. Okay, it's supposed to be that anyways. Okay, so that's what it's actually supposed to be. Is 819 by 461. Okay, I'm going to export this now as a single asset, but this time I'm going to be using PNG instead. PNGs are special in the fact that they're one of the few things that allows you to be have transparency. JPEGs just don't allow that. BMPs don't allow that. Most other things don't allow that. SVGs do, and PNGs do. Okay, delete those. Cathead 2. Electric Cataloo. Okay, and I'm going to export it over to our streaming PC. I will attempt to export it over to our streaming PC. Oh, you're not happy at all with me, ah. Okay, hold on a second, it's freaking out a little bit. Why no work? Come on. Okay, no, I needed... Okay, I exported it again. It works now. Okay. I need to see the desktop, please. Paste. Cat head 2. Okay, and we're gonna put you in... Put you in the documents, under coding, Starlight, images. Cat head 2, electric cataloo. We are going to make you here. Remake you. Cat head 2 PNG. Thank you. That does not look any different. Am I doing this right? Huh. Strange. I don't think if I'm fucking this up or not. Yeah, it doesn't look any different. Interesting. Why don't you look different? And why are there still boxes? Okay. Actually, I'm gonna need your help, Claude. Please make all images and text unable to be highlighted. I think that's pointer colon none? Pointer colon none semicolon? Oh, they're using user select. Yeah, makes sense. User select none. Okay, you. Open up, please. Thank you. Nope, that's not right. I can still grab you. The text is unhighlightable, though. That mostly worked, but could you also make it so that you can't interact with the image too? Images as well? Please and thank you. It is pointer events! I was right! Aw, man. I'm actually starting to remember this shit. That makes me happy. Okay, cool. So that's all dealt with. Wanted to do that at least. Now, why are the boxes appearing behind it? That's... I'm not sure. I'm happy for you too! Ron! I don't know why I'm saying it that way. I don't know. The caps inspires it. Okay, so we have... We're mostly functional. Why is it giving me... Why is it giving me boxes? That's what I don't understand. I think it's an artifact. But I don't know why it's artifacting. Wait, what am I doing? I have a super powerful multi-billion-dollar AI I can ask. For some reason, my images are creating random boxes behind them, and I can't figure out why. Can you help, mommy? No, I'm not calling you mommy. You can just call me Claude or assistant. Smiley face. Okay, so he actually does, or they actually respond to like cute little things you can say. Okay. Random box often caused by the default behavior of object fixed, fit or missing image dimensions. Let's add some CSS to fix it. Display block. Oh, I have display flex. Is display flex not enough? Okay. Whatever, we can add display block to them specifically. Isn't that going to make it hard for them to be on top of each other? No, it didn't. Okay, I'm surprised. Because I thought... No, block lets them stack, inline block lets them be beside each other. Right. The cat head is the top, and the line is the bottom. That did not work, also. I think it's image artifacting, which is... Could you share a screenshot? A screenshot? Wait, hold on a second. I can give him screenshots? What? I didn't know I could screenshot things. Oh my gosh, I didn't know I could screenshot things and give them to Claude. That's awesome. Okay, reveal in file explorer, paste. Nope. Paint? There we go. Crop, save, I'll drop with the downloads folder because I'll delete it later. Screen shoot. Oh, I need to take my meds. I need to move my meds to a time that's before stream. I keep forgetting. I swear, I will be back in 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So we can actually give screenshots to Claude. That's really fucking cool. Oh, it needs to be in the folder, though. Oh, this whole thing is so bright. Oh, because I need to add it as an image. Oh, whoa. The artifacting looks different there. That's weird. Let's also add the HTML so it knows what's going on. That didn't fix it. Would you be able to look at this screenshot and see if you can figure out where the aqua colored boxes are coming from? No, I know it has aqua eyes. No. No. Okay, no, okay, I see my mistake here. It doesn't understand that a box has to be square. Okay. Yes, I know it has eyeballs. I don't mean those boxes. I mean the ones behind and beside the cat head. Don't you fucking just point at my divider line and say, hey, there's a line here! Oh. Okay, no, it did actually fucking pay attention to what's going on. Okay. Background transparent, not background none. Okay, I accept that. I'm going to refresh it. Yeah, the boxes look like they're gone, I think. It also undid my spacing. Bitch! Bitch, I need 40 px, please. Damn it. Oh, what the fuck? I didn't mean to put more... Did I do this in the wrong spot? Wait, why did I put more space above the text now? What'd I do? Help! No. I'm okay. I only want it above the divider, though. Oh, wait, it has padding top. What the fuck? I didn't even notice it there. Oh, wait, these things are overriding each other. Okay, hold on. No. Try this again. I think that's why it's freaking out. Nope, that's not why it's freaking out. Also, the boxes are still there. Okay. Okay, what did I do to you to make you expand like this? Because you're supposed to have spacing above you. You're not supposed to have that much spacing. Wait a minute. It's inheriting the spacing from... Oh no, I think I know what's going on. It's inheriting the spacing from up here, isn't it? Nope, there is no spacing there. What? I mean, it does have margin. Okay, I'll remove the margin there. What? I reduced the spacing! I reduced the spacing! Why is there more? Bitch! Look, I know I'm not good at this. But I thought I would be at least good enough to figure out why the fuck's that's going wrong. I'm gonna just do the padding top that I know. Okay, so I don't think I understand how the padding function works specifically. I don't think I understand it properly. Yeah, it is padding above and below it. Okay, hold on a second. So does that... What happens if I do this? I thought I didn't have to do the extra zeros. Okay, no, the extra zeros are not having an effect. Okay. Okay. Wait. Why? Why is it even there? It should be right here. And also not do... Oh, this is... Oh, God. Okay. Oh, this is not how you code. Let's get rid of all this shit for a second. Actually, I can move the margin, too. I don't need the margin there. I don't need to say the same thing in 4 different places. Actually, wait, I can just do padding 0 there as well. So I can do margin 0, padding 0, and then I overwrite it with the divider. That actually might make this work better. Okay, well, the code's better. It's not working better, but the code is better. That is how this is supposed to work. Why are the pointer events on the image only? I guess they don't need to be on the everything. Wait, I have background none on the main thing, and then I have background transparent on here. How is... I don't trust that that's helping. Let me be clear. Claude can help a lot with coding. Claude is not, like, an all-seeing eye. He absolutely cannot figure out a lot of things. I have definitely thrown the same problem at Claude repeatedly, and Claude has been like, oh, you just fix it like this, and then I do it, and it's like, that function that you just told me, it doesn't exist. And I'm just like, hey, Claude, that thing that you told me to do doesn't exist, and he's like, oh, wait, you're right, that thing doesn't exist. I'm like, yeah, the thing doesn't exist. I think we just had this conversation. Do I need justify content and align items if it's already in the body? I shouldn't. Nope, I do. I'm bad at video games, don't worry. Because this is a video game, I guess. Okay, are you functioning? Wait, hold on a second. Okay. Okay, I cleaned up all that stuff. I think I might know what's wrong with the divider. There's something it said that just clicked with me. Where is it? There was something it said about not setting the dimensions of an object properly, and that causing issues. Yeah, okay, so I didn't set the dimensions of the divider at all, which is causing me issues, I think. Let's do this properly then. Okay, and then I'm gonna do view. This is not very big. I'm gonna make it 10 pixels. Oh, that is small now. 70, and then I could just use view height. I could do view height too. That's not very much, but yeah, view height 2 is fine. Okay, so it has a size set up now, which is right. That's good. It has padding on top of it, which is right. It's not supposed to have padding... Actually, you know what? I'm going to try something that I've never tried before. I'm going to remove the width from this, and I'm going to add it down here. And I'm going to try... Does plus 10 work? If I'm wrong, then everything will fuck up right now. No, it doesn't work. Not like that, at least. I was wondering if like it would do the math for it for me or not. There's probably a way to do that in CSS, but I don't know what it is right now, and I'm not asking Claude. Okay, so this is still... The text is still in a weird spot. Why is the text freaking out like that? Actually, wait. I can just move the padding and margins up here. The entire thing. Okay. Well, that didn't change anything, but that doesn't mean that I did it wrong either. Okay, well, that doesn't mean what I did was wrong, I mean. I did do something wrong. That is very clear. Is it because I'm using P? Should I not be doing a paragraph? Actually, wait, paragraphs have... Wait, paragraphs are fucky. I forgot. Okay, hold on a second. I'm gonna cut out P here for a second and see how this goes. Oh, no, not that. Okay, that will remove all of the formatting on the text. But that's fine, because I can move the formatting up. Right there.
I'm sorry.
Okay, yeah, no. Okay, so fucking... Paragraph sucks. I haven't fixed some of my problems, but I have fixed some. I fixed some of my problems, but not all of them. That's fine. Okay, why do you have... Oh, wait, yes, you have, above, right. Okay, no, that's fine now. That's fine. That's what I want it to be. Because I can do 20, 0, 20, px 0, I think. Right? No, not in the slightest. What the fuck did I just do? How did that decrease... Oh, not you. No, you go away. How did that decrease my spacing? Why? That removed all the padding. Why did that remove all the padding? What did I do? Top, right, bottom, left. Am I wrong? Oh my god, that's what happened. Okay, it's because the padding top doesn't work because I'm supposed to be using padding, not padding top. Okay, there we go. That's what I wanted to do. It's not spaced right, but that's fine because that's the start. Why do you have so much padding around you, text? You're not supposed to do that. I do believe I told you not to do that, in fact. When I took the P off you. Unless I want to do... Okay, here's the other option. That I do centered image... centered image dot P? No, centered image P... brackets, and then padding 0. If I do that and then put this, and I put this into a paragraph. P. No, not like that. Okay. Okay. I did something. Oh, is that a margin? Wait, that might be a margin, not a padding. That might be the problem. No. Margin 0. Thank you! Now you're doing what I told you to do. Why do you have spacing above and below you, though? Yeah, padding 0, margin 0. This is some spacing above you. What is wrong with you? I mean, I can just cheat. I might just cheat, actually. 10. Oh, or should I do... Would I be better to do 5, or would I better to do 0? 5... Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add 5 to this one. Yeah, that works. Yeah, I mean, I don't have to worry as much about cheating here. Rather than figuring out the problem, I can just give it a new argument to disagree with the problem. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait. Oh, shit. I didn't swap over last time. Fuck! Ugh, I hate that. You know, you're supposed to be seeing coding this entire time. Whatever, it's fine. I'll... Yeah. Ah! No, it's fine. Everything's fine. I've done this before. I mean, technically, I could just do this. Yeah, I figured most people are probably listening, not watching, and honestly, then it's fine. Because you don't actually need to... You don't actually need to see it. That's okay. Okay, this looks like an atrocity here. Yeah, this looks atrocious. Okay, do I need width and height on the center, on the image? Or on the div? No, I don't. Because the main issue was that the body wasn't the right size. But now it is. Okay, that's fine. Also, it's not your fault if I fuck something up. That's my fault. So you don't need to apologize. I'm just annoyed with myself because I keep doing it. Okay, I have justify content and align items there and here. Is this required? Yes. I think I actually already did that exact same thing before. Okay, I have margin and padding up on body. Do I need that? Wait, no. 1 second. Okay, no, I don't need it again. I already have it on body. That's fine. I just don't want to have the exact same thing repeatedly listed in the code because it looks stupid when you do that. Like it's really amateurish actually. Can I get rid of the 0? I can get rid of the 0, right? Yeah, I can. Okay. I just don't want to look like an amateur. I guess I am an amateur, but like I want my code to not look shit. Okay, so we have... I'm close Starlight. I don't need it right now. We have this. Okay. When we figure out all these issues, I'm going to be making... Because I'm not actually familiar with how to do this differently, I'm going to be making like 4 different HTML pages that are almost identical, and they're just going to have different text on them, and I'm going to load different ones depending on the stream scene. However, I'm going to use the same structure, and I'm going to use the same style sheet. So when I make the changes in the style sheet, it will change every stream scene and not just this one. So I'm trying to make sure that everything I can in here goes in here. Because I want, like, then they're all identical, and I only have to change it in one place. That is the idea. Okay, so here's the next question. If I load... Yeah, I'm gonna load this now as a browser source, just because I want to test this. Testing thingy. Okay, 1920 by 1080. Okay, local file. Oh, it's not a local file, right. I have to actually move it to the right area. Okay, I'm going to really quickly add it. Okay, so I need to what do I need to copy, actually, to do this? I think I actually need to copy the entire folder. Let's do that for now. Just gonna borrow it for a second. Stream scenes, there we go. Oh, what? Oh, that's interesting. Oh, that's really interesting. The background's hidden. Oh, okay, no, I see why. You know, I'm gonna get rid of the custom CSS on this. There we go. I don't see the artifacting now. Is the artifacting only on Chrome? Because that's stupid if it's only on Chrome. It's looking good, though. Okay, I'm gonna say that it's okay on its own and move forwards. That's what I'm gonna do.
What a stupid thing to do. Blindsided.
Okay.
High hopes, but they fell away.
So we're gonna split this up now. Okay. Scene starting. Paste. 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 Okay. Okay, scene intermission. Scene ending. And scene technical difficulties. Tech diff. Oh, actually, wait. We need another. We need 5. Copy, paste. Because we also need chatting. Okay, so we have a whole shit ton now. We can close starting, because we don't need that. Okay, so we need chatting, intermission, ending, and tech diff. Okay, so... do I need... Okay, let's just open this in the browser to start with, so we can see what's going on. Okay, so this is what we're looking at for chatting right now. We are going to kill off the head. And that fucks everything up. Okay. We want the head to we want the spacing on the head to stay. Oh, I have a really hacky way of doing that. I guess I could do styles. Styles equal opacity 0. Does that? No. And here I thought I would be able to just guess. Nah. Okay, so I want everything to stay in the same spot, but I want this space here be available for my VTuber avatar. Oh, okay, no, I have a increasingly hacky way of doing this. Okay, to do this, I need to swap scenes again. We are going to look over here again. Hi. Okay, so we're going to copy this, and we're going to put it into a... how are we going to do this? We're going to... do I have duplicate as new under this? I don't think... no, I think I can only duplicate as new in Photoshop. Oh, how do I do that? I want to put this in its own document for a second. Okay, what's the best way to do this? I'm gonna copy it. I'm gonna open a new thing. It is going to be, I'm gonna do $819 and height. I'm going to do brain work. How tall was it supposed to be? 6'6" something? I need to actually like look at the... wait, no. I can look at the image itself. I can look at the image itself. That will work. No, I need to minimize this because I need to see stream scenes. No, not in there. You are in here. Images, cat head 2. Okay, what are your dimensions? Please and thank you. 461. So the way I'm gonna hack this is I'm just gonna have a bunch of white space here. But I don't even need to do that. What the fuck am I doing? I don't need to hack this. There are simpler ways of doing this. There are much simpler ways of doing this, actually. You can't see what I'm doing. Okay, so... Wait, no, I am actually swapping back anyways. Okay, so I'm going to export this really quickly as a PNG. I'm going to export this as a PNG. Going to export this? Please, come on. I need you to work with me on this one. Stop being a face. Yes, you are supposed to see a boat. That is okay. It's because I'm trying not to dox myself. Okay, here we are. We have the asset. Diverter. Wait, no, I don't want the divider. This isn't the divider. This isn't the divider. What am I talking about? I'm driving myself a bit crazy, actually. No. Okay. You are not a divider. Shadow. You're a shadow. Okay, you're fine there. Okay. Cool. That's right. That's right. I want that way. However, what I'm going to do... Actually, there's no way around this. I have to overwrite it. I have to overwrite it with a different ID. Or I have to do the styles directly in the head again. Not that I don't like doing that, but... Oh, no. Style? Style. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna do... ID... Head... no. ID... Shadow... And I'm gonna do width... comma... height... And I'm gonna do 50 and if I remember this, 865, I think? It's slightly bigger, I think. Oh, why are we upset? Expected. Because of the comma? Oh, I'm not supposed to put a comma there? Okay, whatever. Okay, I think it's the right size now. Okay. And then I'm going to do adding top. And I'm going to hack the fuck out of this. Because the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to give it 410 pixels of padding. Moving it down. That seems a bit lower than before. Like, much lower. Like, way too lower. Where's starting? Can you open starting for me? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What'd I do? No, okay, this is still chatting. Okay, I was confused. No, everything's fine. Don't worry about it. Can I not open two at the same time? It's not that hard. Okay, some things are definitely wrong. Yes, you're not supposed to be like that. Okay. Okay, How do I want to do this? I'm doing 60% width in the main one, I think. Right? Yeah, I'm doing 60% width and 40% view height. I'm gonna try 10 view height. No, there's no way that's gonna be right. I'm gonna try 5 view height, and I'm gonna try 35 view height padding. Okay, nope, that's looking better. The problem is that it's too big still. It's not the full width of everything. It's only the width of the divider now, I believe. And the divider's width is 70. Fuck, that's not right. No, it's the width of the head? Okay, which... No, it is the width of the divider, just slightly smaller. So how did I make this bigger than the divider already? You're not supposed to be 6. It's 70! The divider's 70! Right? Yeah, it's width 70! What the fuck? You're not supposed to be that big. Okay. 55? Let me just guess. Did I not save it? That didn't change. Wait, that didn't change. Why didn't that change? It's getting overwritten, isn't it? I think it's getting overwritten by the centered image. No, there's nothing in centered image that should be overwriting that. Doesn't make sense. So all I have is ID shadow here. Actually, okay, I'm gonna try something to test. I'm gonna make it 5% instead of 55. Okay, no, so it is changing size. That's not just... Okay, maybe I just didn't change it enough. 45. Why did that not change? Why did 45 not work? I'm gonna try 49. I'm just curious about something. Does it only work in increments of 10? It shouldn't. It's not supposed to do that. Okay, I think it works in increments of 10, and that's stupid. No, too small now. 35. No, that 5 worked. Okay, that is a little bit different, but... Can I... So I have padding top 35V H. And it's moving How so much is it moving? Okay, I need to push it down further. Can I do... Can I do 36? Yeah, close enough. Not like anyone's gonna be comparing these besides me anyways. What should you have on a just chatting screen anyways? Because I've always just had basically this, but with my avatar. Let me switch over to chatting, actually. This is what I usually just have, and I just, like, my avatar just sits on the chatting part. I don't like this the way it is. I want there to be more than this. You know what? No. No. This is okay right now, as is. This is fine. I'm not gonna fuck with this. I'm gonna call that good, and I'm gonna move forwards instead. That's what I'm gonna do. Actually, I'm gonna move this over to the master style sheet. So it's just all in the same place. Now, I'll make it single line for stuff that has one or less things. Not one or less, one thing. Not for 3. This will be fine. I'll just expand it. 2 or less, maybe? Nah. Ones that have, like, a single change to them, I will do one line like this. That's fine. Okay, so that moves Shadow over there. And I can do that now. And then I'm going to open this, and I'm going to hit refresh right now, and nothing's going to change, right? Yeah, nothing changes. Good. Fucking hell. I was totally expecting everything to just fucking break there. Okay. No, I don't need you. Okay. Scene intermission. Back in 5. Back in 5 Mauer. Back in 5 Nya. Okay. Okay, my main plan with this stream so far was just to remake these stream scenes to start with. We can make some of them cool after. I'm just gonna try to make something that is workable on its own, and then I'm gonna just stay with that until I am ready to actually change things out. Like, okay, let me rephrase that. I'm going to get a working version and install it. And then I can worry about making a fancy version. That's what I'm trying to say. Technical difficulties. How do you spell difficulties? That doesn't look right. Am I... No, I'm spelling it right. Okay. Okay, so that should... Everything should be right now. So I should have... Let's try this. I have 5 scenes total. Okay, so I have... Chatting... I have chatting, starting, intermission... Ending. And technical... Oh, tech diff. Right, because I don't want to do this entire thing. Technical difficulties. Mechan 5 nya. Stream starting soon, and then the basic stream scene. Bow, bow, bow. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Okay. I'm gonna add the just chatting back again. I'm gonna open this without using cursor to open things. Can you stop? Oh, disconnect. Why are you staying open? Oh, because it sees that things are open. So it's like, die. Okay, whatever. You'll have to be fine with that. Okay, starting, chatting, tactical difficulties, ending. This again. God, that's blinding. Intermission. Intermission. Okay, so those are my 5 stream scenes now. Okay. Do I like all these? Is there anything about these that I want to change before I go? Okay, I can't have inconsistent capitalization. That bothers the hell out of me.
Release the Kraken.
Does that look okay? Yeah, it's fine. What do y'all think so far? Okay. Starting, intermission, chatting, technical difficulties, and what? Thanks for watching. That's the ending one. Okay. Good, good. Glad to hear it. Okay. In that case, we are moving back over to here for a moment. Okay, you'll see what I'm doing in a second. I just need to actually get things in the right spot. Okay, I'm gonna put this active stuff into OBS now. Okay, moving that stuff into OBS. So I'm gonna grab the standard overlay and move it. Okay, Starlight, you're getting moved to where you actually are. Okay, so that's the same as before. That's good. Okay. Stream graphics. Okay, so I have starting soon. Which is going to be... Okay, no, it's not useful. It's gonna take me a second to install this. Okay, so the new starting soon graphic is here now. Okay, removing the old one. Wait, where's the... with the chatting graphic? Oh, there's the chatting graphic. Okay, I'm gonna swap the new chatting graphic in, actually. Next, because that would make the most sense. Chatting! No. There's a bunch of, like, automatic CSS going on that I need to get rid of. Oh, this definitely has lowered things a bit. Interesting. Okay, wait, no. Not there. Okay, so this is the new Just Chatting graphic. Okay, getting rid of the old one. Okay. Intermission is next, which is good because actually I need to take an intermission in a second. 2020 by 1080, shutdown source is not visible, refresh when scene becomes active. Remove, okay, so the new intermission graphic is good. Okay, next is technical difficulties. Tech diff. Okay, local. Tech diff. 1920. 1080, shutdown source are not visible, refresh browser when scene becomes active. No, don't cover me, please. Also, no custom CSS. Okay, technical difficulties is working now. Okay, final one is ending. This is great, because this is going to make it so fucking easy to change anything. I technically can change my stream scenes now. Not like switch between them, but like, I could edit my stream scenes from my phone if I wanted to now. I'm not going to, but I could, theoretically. Ending. There we go. 1920 by 1080. Shutdown when not visible. Refresh browser. Okay, you go all the way over there. Under there. Cool, cool. You can go up there. New ending scene. Functioning perfectly. Get rid of the old one. Okay. Okay, so we have all of our scenes done now. We have a functional set. And we don't have to worry too much now. Here's the situation. I have, as you can see, chat is displaying in this overlay. It looks really stupid. Like, it's stupid that it just pops out of nowhere. There's no sort of bounding to it or anything. So that's like one of the things that I've been wanting to fix, is the fact that it looks fucking ugly. Honestly, I probably want to change out the divider line again, too. I'm probably going to edit the shadow a bit. Like, there's a bunch of shit that I want to actually do here. But now I can actually do it. Actually, I could do the starlight. I could do, like, the actual proper starlight overlay stuff. The only problem with doing starlight is that I need to... I guess I can ask Claude to do it, but I basically need to generate, like, 50 different coordinates. 2 sets of 50 different coordinates, and I guess I'm going to have to ask Claude to pair them together, and then once it's paired, I'm going to ask it to make the star text, or star setup, and I'm going to have it place each pair of coordinates together into the stars. To set each star in its right place. Okay, yeah, I'm going to have to do that, and to do that, I'm going to have to edit a bunch of fucking stuff. But not now. Not right now. No, right now we are going to take a very, very quick break. And then I will be back, and we will do more things and stuff. Don't go anywhere, because we might actually play games next, because we have done a lot of coding. Baby.